It's okay. Just face us like that. Just face us. Yes. One second.
People usually go in the afternoon. I went in the night. It's just to avoid people like you, to avoid pressmen like you, that I went in the night. And I go there regularly. It's a family affair, and I went there to discuss national issues, issue of security, issue of well-being of our country, and the issue of the electoral law. And the discussion was very fruitful. And this was in the night. So is that why you should come to ambush me?
Did you inform him that you are contesting for the 2023 general election?
The party zoned the 2023 presidential ticket to Southeast. I told you before, I'm not a liar. It's only when the party zones it officially to the South. I told you before, the only two zones that have not been president, the Southeast and the Northeast. Once they zone it to any one of them, I have the capacity and the capability. And I will roll and I'll rock like hurricane.
Why are you waiting for the party to zone it when every other person is pushing?
Well, they are pushing. Possibly they are not serious. A serious-minded person would like to be fair to Nigeria, be fair to society, to be fair to the atmosphere. Because this country, the party is not owned by me or by you press people. This party is owned by Nigerians and APC people. It's only APC people, like we're going to have our convention, will decide where the presidential ticket will go to. If they say it, I have everything it takes to make a good president.
If the party decide not to zone it to Southeast, what will be your reaction?
I will come back to the Senate and sit in the Senate as I'm sitting.
Do you believe in Igbo presidency?
I don't believe in Igbo president. I believe in Nigerian president of Igbo extraction.
Do you believe in zoning?
That it is time of the Southeast to take that position?
It's overdue. I believe that we should produce the next president. And it's going to happen.
Why are you not pushing now, sir?
I don't need to push. I have to push with other regions.
Are you consulting, sir?
No, because it's not yet the time.
Okay, your party has come out with the convention day 26. What are we expecting?
Very good convention, very good atmosphere. We are going to make Nigerians proud after 26th of February.
What is the body language of the president when it comes to 2020 and the electoral act?
President body language is where other Nigerian body language is.
As a very close person to Mr. President.
That's what I'm telling you.
Have you read his body language?
His body language is for Nigeria and Nigerians.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.